so what we have here is a ramp. It may be difficult to see on the video, but there's a slight incline here. So right now this is a little higher than down here. So if I'm going to let this go, then this starts to roll down the track. It goes really slowly, but this is a good demonstration of gravity, which you probably saw earlier in the video with the roller coaster track thing. But the interesting thing about this is that the shape of the object that's rolling down the track can actually affect how it behaves. So I'd like for each of you to take a minute and just think about, what do you expect this to do when it rolls down? You might expect it to behave just like the last one and just roll all the way down and stop, right? Well, that's a good prediction, but let's see what happens. Now it came to a stop a little earlier, but I think the interesting part about this is that once it actually got to a certain point, it actually started to roll backwards. Why is that? That's weird. Gravity pulls things downwards. Well, this actually has to do with something called center of mass. In a nutshell, basically, because you can see the shape of this thing when it gets down like this, that the rod is raised higher above the track. For this reason, it just naturally rolls back upwards.